welcome back to my channel. This is SHAN'LINES. So today we got a gloomy weather, and yeah, what I'll be doing in this type of weather I will show you later. And as of now I have got a visitor at home, and yeah, these are my visitor. So even for them also, they are bored at home doing nothing, and since today is Sunday, they came here to spend some quality time with my family. And yeah, so we'll spend some good time here. So we'll get started. So guys, before we get started to the video, we'll first go to shop to buy some of the things, and then yeah, follow me out there. Guys, we are heading out now. Roy? See how this weather is. It's Sunday, so all the shops are closed. See. Enjoying.
Yes.
It's windy, guys. Huh? Guys, we took and then now we are going home. Show what you got. Show me. It's gold actually, but they are not even listening. So yeah, it is what it is. Whee! So guys, we'll be visiting my father's office. This is the office. Nothing much to show, just look at the surroundings in here. It's a bit of beauty. Look at the flowers in here. We just came here to visit only, since we are just passing by. So now we'll head home. It's a romantic weather. We got feeling really cozy, and finally we reach home. And look at my cuckoo. Eh. Guys, you have seen from my previous video about my mom's garden to how these maize have been growing, and it has been 1 week, and looking at the results I'm quite surprised. It has grown a little tall. Look, see guys, have a look at it. Maybe because of the rain. See guys, in this type of weather and looking at this maize, it kind of makes me feel so good about it. See, it's amazing. Anyways, we'll just head to making pakora thing. So yeah, let's get started. So guys, I actually told the kids that if it rains, we'll be making this pakora and have it in this type of weather. But since it's not even raining, but I have promised them, so I have to do, even if I'm a little lazy to do it. But yeah, like promised, I have to fulfill my promise. We'll get started. So we will pluck these coriander leaves to add it in this pakora. Beans. Not there. This only.
Yes. Not yeah.
So guys, we'll first wash the veggies up, and I don't prefer more onions in pakora, so I just took one piece only. And even my dad and mom don't love pakora, so just for the kids and myself. So we'll chop them up accordingly, then yeah, we'll get started and see the end result. First we'll chop all the whole thing from me. So I will add this potato again. So guys, finally done with chopping of the veggies. Now we'll add besan and we'll fry them up. And this besan, we will add it here like this, just like this. Now we'll even add a pinch of turmeric. After this, not forgetting salt for this. And we'll pour a little water, then we'll stir them. Just like this. And then mix and mix.
Right.
Add oil here. Stir them like this. I did promise, so this is what it is. Getting paid for. In the kitchen, the lighting is very dim. Because of that, the reflection, okay, it's kind of dark in there. And about this pakora thing, whenever it rains, especially during monsoon seasons and all, I tend to crave for this pakora thing. And when I say this, as a kid, I remember watching a movie called Acha Prem Ki Kasab Kahani. There, that particular scene where Katrina and then Ranbir Kapoor going on the street and then having this pakora with D feels amazing. That is the romantic feeling ever. And because of that, my mind has been there only in that scene. Back to pakora making thing. That's the storylining about pakora. I'll try this whether it tastes good or not. It's so crispy and then so good. Delicious one. Let's go. So guys, finally our pakora looks like this. La, 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 la. And that's the ketchup I will be having from outside. See my so guys. For the first time, I can't even believe that I made these things. In all the pakoras that I made, this is the tastiest one. Yeah, not kidding. You must also try once. I'm done with the bokara thing. Even though it's not raining, it's gloomy, so I can feel the vibes already. Like gloomy weather, bokara plus D lovers means D. So all together, it's worth it. Even they enjoyed, even I myself enjoyed a lot making it and even having it. It was so good. Proud of me. Just kidding. Now, like always, I'll be doing dishes and yeah. After that, like a normal routine. In the evening, I'll start cooking and yeah, it goes on like that. So, anyways, we'll get started with the utensils. So yeah. Guys, this is the weather. Hmm. Today, I didn't even get to see the sunrise. Guys, finally I'm done with doing the dishes. And you know that last time I told you on my video saying that I don't know the name of the flowers. And I've researched a little. Togo. Hi, Alina! Hi! Hi! Say hi! Hi! Guys, I'm so happy she came. Woo! My dance partner! I miss you, baby! I miss you more. Da.
I love you
Love
more.
you. I miss you.
Love you.
I love you more. Another guest. Why so surprised? Ha, baby girl. You missed the chance. We ate all the pakoras. But next time I'll make sure I'll prepare a good one and then give you, okay? And I have researched a little bit on that on Google and I got to know that wait, okay. This flower, it's actually geranium, it seems. See, this one. I was like thinking a lot what could be the name of this flower is, and finally I got to know. And I don't know why. This flower, okay, my mom told me it's forget me not or something. And even that we researched together and then we know that it's actually hydrangea, this one. Let's do arm wrestling, come. Let's see who wins. One to go. Uh... Woo! High five. You won. You should have come earlier, my dear. Sarange.
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 I love you.
I love you.
Take care.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Anyways, guys, I guess I will just wind up my video here. I feel like my video today is all about pakora thing only, but it was fun. I enjoyed making them and even enjoyed having them as well. And I believe you all loved my video and hoping that you have watched my video till the end. And if you love my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also hit on the notification bell icon to stay updated on my new video. And yeah, see you all in my next vlog. Bye bye.